Welcome to the Coatings Challenge. I'm Michelle Carlin, Senior Product Manager with GAF. Today we're talking about a coatings challenge from Jim in Lemon Grove, California. Jim writes, I'm a long-time steep slope roofer expanding into small commercial jobs. I have opportunities to preserve both metal and asphalt roofs for small businesses in the San Diego area. But I'm not sure where to start. What's my best bucket? Great question, Jim, and welcome to the Low Slope team. The fact is, there's no single solution for every roof. And as your business grows, you'll want to learn more about silicones, acrylics, liquid membranes, and so much more. But since you're really just starting out, one solution offers a great balance of cost and performance without a big capital investment in equipment. That is GAF United Coatings Roof Mate Top Coat. It's a water-based acrylic roof coating, which means you invest minimal personal protection equipment, and it's really easy to use and to clean up. You also have multiple ways to apply the coating. You can choose to use a sprayer, roller, or a brush. So your application tools can easily conform to your crew and the project's needs. The downside of water-based coatings is that they're not great against ponding water, so make sure the roof has sufficient drainage. As a California roofer, you're used to complying with stringent regulations. The good news is RoofMate has low VOCs, and since it's got a high reflectivity, it can help in lowering cooling energy costs. As I mentioned, there's no single coating solution for every roof. RoofMate is water-based, so store it in an area that is at least 40 degrees Fahrenheit to make sure it doesn't freeze. And make sure to apply it at 50 degrees Fahrenheit and rising. Neither should be a problem in the San Diego area, but it's important to know. Jim, good luck with your new opportunities. Remember, when you're ready for bigger jobs, GAF has a solution for you. From coatings to liquid applied membranes to single ply PVC and TPO. Thanks for checking out the Coatings Challenge by GAF. Got a tough coatings question? Send it to coatingschallenge@gaf.com. Until next time, I'm Michelle Carlin.